Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Rashawn from BoostDistrict. Tis the season. It's gonna be a really quick video for you guys. I wanted to run a quick Black Friday specials for all of you guys watching. We're 19,000 subscribers 1 year in, and I'm really grateful for that. So in this specific video, we're not gonna be flashy, but we're gonna be flashy with the prices. So we're gonna release a couple other videos, a couple other products that you've never seen or heard before that is gonna be first here, and it's gonna be special pricing for the first few people so we can all enjoy the holidays and get you guys some savings. So first, C8 turbo kits. We have an installed special and also the parts mail out too. So for the installed special, we're gonna have a BD650. We've never done that before. We're gonna do it now, and that's gonna be installed and tuned for 18,500. That's only for the first 5 people. After those first 5, it's gonna be the retail pricing, which you're gonna see in the website. So 18,500 installed for the Stingray turbo kit. Makes 650 horsepower, makes good power, has warranty, and everybody's happy on that. Lots of people have been asking about cheaper options that are less power instead of giving the 720 combo from the add-on. Let's start with the 650, and I think everybody's gonna we're gonna have really good success on that program. Second thing on the list, superchargers for the C8. We got the BD650 now also available and on the site, ready to go. $650 horsepower, supercharged, $19,000 installed for the first 5 people. This is only available for Black Friday. Installs is going to be next year, 5 weeks away, and it's going to be a hot seller. We've done this and tested it, and it's ready to go. So these 2 cars, there's a BD850, there's another BD850, but everything looks the same. You can paint match your lid if you'd like, or you can keep it the standard black, also no problem. So 650 horsepower and $19,000 installed and tuned. So that's gonna come with everything you need to make that power, and also done here with the professionals at BoostDistrict. Next vehicle on the list is the CT5V Blackwing. This one we're gonna be doing a little bit of different setups too. So we have the Magnuson 2650 Supercharger, BoostDistrict exclusive. Stage 1 and Stage 2 kits are $300 off on the site. That comes with the pulley, the supercharger, the hose kit, and also the tuning if you do the stage 2. $300 off on that. Second thing on the list for this car, flex fuel tuning. So if you have a CT5V Blackwing and you want to do flex fuel on it, you're gonna get a sensor, you're gonna get the ECU unlock, the credits, and the tune all ready to go. $150 off for that specific item. Beautiful car, makes a lot of power, awesome daily driver, family sedan too. So that's that for this car. Let's jump into the next car. Next thing on the list is gonna be a 2019 and up truck and also 2021 and up SUV. That's gonna be a full package 2650 Supercharger Magnuson Lingenfelter kit with the tune for $200 off on that kit. That's gonna be either installed or also available for just a mail out. If you wanna build it at your own in the garage, we can supply the tune and we can supply the Supercharger package ready to go, ready to ship. We have them in stock, $200 off on that. All right, next thing on the list is gonna be what a lot of you guys know us for in the last 11 years, LSA Supercharger kit. So there's gonna be an LSA Supercharger kit for either, or for any vehicle that we sell it on our website. So either Chevy SS, G8, trucks, LS swaps, and every other LS engine. So LSA Supercharger kits are $100 off. Code is also on the website, live ready to go. That's just for Black Friday. Limited availabilities on this, so take advantage of the sale. 2 more products, same item though. Cam kits. We have cam kits for the C8s, now available on the website. DIY. If you have a lift, you can drop the motor out and you can do it yourself. Go ahead and buy the kit. That's gonna be $100 off on this go around Black Friday sale. I'm gonna limit that to 5 people. Last thing that we're gonna add for the cam kits is for the LS and LT. LS cam kits, it's gonna be not a big margin item. We probably make less than $50 in that, but we're gonna share the savings with you. $25 cam kits for the LS. If you have an LS1, LS3, or truck engine, $25 off on your cam kits. and LTs too. If you have an LT1, LT2. One more thing on the list for the C8s, exhaust kits. We have them in stock, ready to ship, and also ready to install. We're gonna be doing a lot of exhaust codes that we're gonna just lay out over here. And exhaust is like the one thing, if you're not gonna be doing a turbo kit, you definitely need to be doing exhaust on your C8s. That's like the number one thing that most people do. We sell a lot of it. Corsa, MagnaFlow, AWE, MBRP, Borla, a lot of these things. AFE also has an exhaust on our website, and we have them in stock too. So if you want an exhaust for your C8, now's the best time. Different packages available, different pricing, starts at $1,000. So lots of great exhaust systems over here. And also we have Fab Speed also in stock, ready to ship. We got plenty of items here. AWE is also another one. That's a very popular system. The AWE track is really loud, really nice quality, and works great. So Valvetronic also in the website. We're gonna be running a special on that. Let me take a look at that, and we're just gonna overlay it right here, and enjoy the savings. Last but not the least, we have Gen 2 2650 Supercharger kits, $200 off. This can make anywhere between 600 to 1200 horsepower, depending on your supporting mods. We got plenty in stock, ready to go. BoostDistrict edition, and they're really rowdy units. This has been super popular for us the last couple years, and we ought to sell a lot more. So we have them in stock and ready to build for your kit. And that would pretty much wrap it up for here on savings. We're not trying to do too much this time. It's just enough savings for everybody to enjoy, support BoostDistrict, and we also have merch. Again, this is the season. I'm wearing my red hoodie. You should definitely grab yours at the website, boostdistrict.com. Our new website went live last night, and I'm really excited about it. A lot of people have been loving it. Please check it out and let us know how you like it. We've added a lot more products into it. We're gonna keep adding a lot more products. The next few months of BoostDistrict, we will be adding a few more supercharger options, and we're really excited about that. We have Beto next week coming to do a build with our new supercharger, and a few other people that we're gonna be collabing with, and having the fun of the new generation of BoostDistrict. We're excited to see that. We're excited to see you guys be on board. Lots of turbo kits coming in too. We're definitely the district of Boost, and it's growing. I'm really grateful for that. This year, the end of the year has been really fun for me. We've been doing a lot of R&D, and we're grateful for everybody's support. Lots of new generations of cars too. They had the C8, we had the SS sedans that we've been building a lot of parts for, and a lot of the LS swap community have been really grateful too. This coming next year, it's gonna be big for us with a lot of new different products. Stay tuned, watch out, keep watching our videos, like and subscribe. Lots of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed, so just do us a favor and help click that like button or that subscribe button. It helps us a lot, more than you think it does. So we're grateful for the support. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and Merry Christmas for people that are watching this a little later. And that's about it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your time.